Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today in this channel I'm going to start a new series that will be on Siemens NX. It will cover sketching, modeling, rendering, surfacing and drafting. The videos will be of 4 to 5 minutes and so stay tuned for that. I hope you will enjoy this series and learn from it. All that matters to me is your support, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, to my videos, because it gives me the reason to make these videos and to make this series successful. Thank you.